Yes, you can.
From where?
If you really love me, you can. Tommy love Popeye's fries, guys. It's a, I don't know, it's more flavor, right? Look at the woman, Han. I told you, Han, never look a woman. Han?
Because he's lying to me.
He's lying to you?
Yeah, he's lying to me, Han. That's bullshit. You're gonna lie to me. Like, oh, this is the first I heard. Bullshit.
Mag-for good na daw siya, guys, dahil sa kapa, guys.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, binalik ko lang to kasi pagdating ko dito kahapon, guys, I changed it with the raincoat kasi ano siya, sobrang ulan kahapon at saka sabi daw maulan daw ngayon. So, hitignan natin. It's dark cloud. So, mag-change na naman tayo mamaya kung ulan. Pero, ito lang yung mga dala ko, guys. So, pabalik-balik, labhan-labhan ko na lang sa baba. But anyway, good morning. And we're heading to, nakalimutan ko maglagay ng, magdala ng eyebrow. Nakalimutan ko. So, kaya yung eyebrow ko, hindi, ano, bahala na. Let's slow. It's playing and then it's gone.
I was reading a thing about, you know, things that are not safe to feed your dog and stuff.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden it loads half a page, and now I go to refresh it and it loads nothing. It just...
Itong couch na to, maganda naman tong couch na to. Kailangan ng cover. Maganda siya kasi oh, malagyan mo to ng cover. Ito, pero dapat magpatahi ka talaga ng para sa ito. Maganda ito, guys, kasi parang magra-rock ba. Rocking, yung konting yun, no. Alis dan lang change the ano cover. Pero walang pera para sa ganyan. Eh. Maganda man siya. Iwan ko guys, let me know guys. Write something guys kung ito ba. Kasi ano to yung parang karaan kung sa Bisaya pa. Karaan yung mga old mga style. Pero bumabalik kasi itong mga style na to eh. Itong mga ganito. Anuhan mo lang siya ng gray, light gray. Say good morning, Gandhi. Don't say hi to my vlog anymore.
Morning, camera.
You're fast with this working house thing.
Yeah.
For how many weeks now? That's chimney they're doing right now.
Happened to the house on the bottom too.
Maybe because it's...
Maybe it was a fire. I don't know. I didn't see a fire.
Still fire.
There's no burn marks all over it.
Yeah. So guys, yung biyanan ko, aalis na siya. Lalabas na siya Thursday, right? Thursday. And Tommy and my sister-in-law, gusto nilang, they want mom to stop in her house. Because, hala, what is this guy doing?
Back out of his driveway.
And the light is broken. The only thing is, if mom stop in her house, yes, she have the right to stop in her house because Andrea won't probably bring her back here to visit, right? Hala, did you see that car wheels is going? Look. Hala, that's really dangerous. That's dangerous. Hala, that's dangerous. Oh my God. Hopefully, when they stop over here, hopefully mom won't go. I'm not going anywhere. They're gonna give us a hard time going to Andrea. Going upstate. Hi guys, you are so cold coming around.
Okay, I got pee. So.
Go home first, let the dog out.
Go home, but you want to Taco Bell or something?
Go ahead. Whatever you feel like.
Will you eat Taco Bell?
I will eat whatever you feel like, even though my thing is lechon. I want to eat lechon.
Well, I'm gonna get lechon.
Yes, you can.
From where?
If you really love me, you can. This guy is turning here. You can go out now. Hindi ko alam kung bakit yung summer is nawala. The summer is gone. Gone is summer.
If you're not gonna have Taco Bell, then let's not get hot dogs or something. Just as much have that than anything else. Or you want Burger King? Stop at Burger King.
Get Taco Bell. Guys, where is the summer?
You want to stop at Dollar Store?
It's up to you, man. You're
Right,
driving.
that's no there. You're right there. Next light.
Dollar store, guys. Tingin tayo ng maybe this one, the bucket. Where are you? This bucket right here.
What are you doing?
The bucket.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Naghanap kami ng box or something para ano ba? Lagyan ng chocolate para sa mga nurses. Kasi aalis na si Bianan Wednesday morning. Oh, bag. How about these bags here? You don't want bags? Yun. Dollar store. This one, get some. This one, guys, laundry basket. Wala, guys. Wala sila dito. I told Tommy a bucket. Tommy want to eat, what is that? Taco Bell. And he chose not to.
You're not gonna eat it.
I will eat it. I will. When did I not eat your Taco Bell?
Yeah. And then you eat it and you say, oh, I really like this. And then you...
Oh, so why you don't do it?
I don't want that. I have rights.
He doesn't listen. But he...
You know my wife.
But he do it for me because I don't know why. I told him to just ignore what I feel. I know I love Popeyes, but I don't, like crave. But he's craving for something. He is pregnant. At least Popeyes, it's close here, right?
Well, it's right that way.
I know.
Like 2 minutes.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm talking about if I want Popeyes. Remember before we go to...
Yeah, but now you're not here anymore, so I'm still not close again.
The Popeyes right there. It's a new building that right there. They put it
Lunchtime,
new.
so maybe busy.
Yeah, they put it so close now. Hala, it's traffic here,
It took
baby.
more than a year to build it. What the hell?
It's traffic now here.
Oh, that's because Nissan dealership was packing it. Crap.
Oh my god, it's crazy. Hala, hala.
He has to wait.
You go drive through? No. I'm going in.
Go around just to get to the parking place. So
Yeah.
that's the way that works.
Fries. He's driving, guys, and he said, I want fries. And
What
well,
fries are for when you drive it?
huh?
McDonald's used to have a commercial like that.
Seriously?
Father goes home, picks up food for the family, and come home with no fries. Because he eat them on the drive. Oh, look.
Hala! Oh my god.
Tire.
That car's tire, my G. It's like gone. The same thing what happened, I told you. The trailer. The same thing. The tire is ripped. Like no tire, no nothing anymore. Tommy love Popeyes fries, guys. It's I don't know, it's more flavor, right? Right? But because he drive like crazy. And I'm vlogging. Look at him, guys. I have chickens on my lap, fries in my hand, camera in the right hand, and I try to balance my foot. Don't look at the woman, Han. I told you, Han, never look a woman. Han, don't look a woman. You're not allowed to look. You're not allowed to look. Hala, police, please. Let me eat, uy.
We're playing the camera.
Anyway, guys, I'll see you home. Let's mukbang again. Popeyes. La. Jesus Christ, Tommy, do you have to stop for that?
I don't want to kill it.
Pigeon didn't know how to fly.
Yeah, but they kind of take off slow.
Hello, love. Hello. Hi, Mitch. Hello, Mitch. Hi, baby. Look. Oh, come here. Come up. Give Mama a kiss. Come here. Oh, yeah, come here, Mitch. Come here now. I love you. I love you so much. I love you, dogs. God, guys, they're crazy. Look at it. Go to her. Oh, Roxy, it's a treat. You don't want treats from that. Oh, she knows we're leaving, hon. She knows we're leaving. Somebody comment, guys, sa vlog ko, guys, and you said mga malalaki yung bahay dito, di ba? And then walang fence like this, oh. Walang fence. Ang iba meron naman mga yeah, there is a fence, some of them, you know, like that, big rocks and whatever. Pero you mostly talaga there's no fence. And so yun, and it's different here because you know they're not really like us that very strict sa Pilipinas, yung kahit konti lang yung bahay, maliit at saka bahay kubo lang, you have to fence it, even small and not expensive house. You know, that's our thing. We like to be fenced and no one can enter our property. In our area, in our house upstate, we only have fence for the dog, you know, the dog that cannot get out and they cannot just like go roaming around because there's a lot of wild animals. But you know, the whole area we have, the property that we have, it's not fenced, the whole thing. So our neighbor, makaano sila, makalakad-lakad, right, Han? Right? Makalakad-lakad. No, they can, you know, our neighbor always go there, right? Walk around at our backyard. We don't even care, right? But so yun, guys, it's different here. Yeah, some people are like, they like to be fenced, but you rarely, you know, sometimes you see fence in the front area, but they don't fence the whole yard that they have. Sometimes most in here is like the front. So yan, sis, walang mga fence. Malalaki is yung mga bahay dito, malalaki talaga. They're big houses here and they are not cheap. Even a small house, and if a small house and you are in the area that's expensive, ano siya, expensive talaga siya kahit maliit. Pero may mga house din na malaki and then it's in the wrong place, in the town that it's not expensive, right? Right, sometimes big house but it's not really expensive. If you go to Texas, guys, Texas, there is really nice houses.
What makes the house expensive is
the property, the land,
right?
The town too.
Yeah, the land. It's about where the land is. The same amount of property in one town, there's a lot more money than the same amount of property in a different town.
Yeah. Punta kami sa where are we going?
Going to get the wheelchair.
Oh, Mom's wheelchair. Yeah. Hopefully they give us argue. Don't argue, hon.
Well, they're probably not gonna have it. They've been jerking me around for 6 fucking weeks. I imagine they're not gonna still be ready.
So why we go there?
If they're not ready, I want to get the paperwork back so I can get it from somebody else.
Like, where's somebody else?
A few moments later.
Guys, kaloka itong si Tommy, guys. Tommy is crazy. Pumunta kami sa kukuha ng wheelchair kung saan nag-order yung Medicare, yung insurance ng biyanan ko. First thing na ginawa ni Tommy, guys, nakipag-away. He told me that the owner is defending himself and Tommy they're both yelling each other. Han, it's crazy. It's fun.
Because he's lying to me.
He's lying to you?
Yeah, he's lying to me. That's bullshit. You're gonna lie to me. Like, oh, this is the first I heard. Bullshit.
Kaloka. Do you know where you're going, Han?
Yeah,
So yeah, Tommy said, "Give me the paper. Give me the paper back. I'll go somewhere else. I'll call Medicare." And I said, "What am I gonna give you?" Like, you crazy, hon?
Oh, you didn't even notice this. The paperwork's here. It's gotta be here. What, did you not file it? Are you taking it home with you? Are you using it to buy other stuff somewhere else? Oh, really? Oh, you don't know. They're gonna sit there and use that paperwork to get something for somebody else. Yeah, I don't know what the hell is going on, but there's no reason for this. Because it don't matter. You say, oh, this person needs oxygen, needs a wheelchair, needs this. No problem. They just file the paperwork and it goes right through Medicaid. Apparently,
I will tell you if it's the lighting. Don't break your neck. Don't break your neck. It's like hilly area, guys, like this. Hindi kami magkita sa light.
So it's real possible Medicare gives them a hard time. If Medicare's giving you a hard time, they call me and say, look, we're having a problem with Medicare. So we're not gonna handle your claim. You know, just go somewhere else.
Guys, I'm chatting with my aunt. Look, you're going here.
Hi.
Why you're going here?
I'm going here.
Okay. What's your coffee, Han?
I got my coffee right here.
Hi daw, sabi niya, guys. Han, careful, Han.
You gotta stop that.
Careful, please.
I'm coming to Philippines with Wicked Vlog with my niece.
Wait, drive careful, Han.
Come to the U.S. and belong to the Philippines.
Ay, Jesus.
Come to the U.S. then you can belong to the Philippines.
Watch out, drive. Mag-for good na daw siya, guys, dahil sa kapa, guys. For good. Mag-for good na daw siya. Daghan na may nakabalos kapa, God. Di man ikaw, 5 million, one member.
Kung kapoy kay parabaho diri.
Kapoy, ay.
So kung makasama akong pamilya.
Daghan na may nag-for good, good, good. Hi guys, good evening guys. Alas 9 na ng gabi. No, I'm good on. Thank you. Kumakain na kami guys. Dami kumain ang salad. Good evening guys. I'm gonna end this vlog, Han. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys na lang bukas. No, I'm good. Drink water please.
Have some salad.
No, arugula.
Try it.
No, I hate arugula.
Try it. Mix it with
I had arugula before. I always have it with Andrea. I will see you guys bukas. Trabaho si Tami umaga. Sakit ng mata ko as in bug talaga guys. Patulog kami ng maaga and I will see you guys tomorrow. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night guys.